Hey, what's up, y'all? I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my little she shed that we're looking to build out. It's a 10 by 16. It's pretty cute. We ordered it with all the windows and the dormer and the 9 light front door. But just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough, give you some a rundown of the plans for it. I'm gonna go ahead and flip down. So there it is in all its glory. And like I said, it's only a 10 by 16, but we're gonna build out a little bathroom in it. Thinking about a 4 by 8 bathroom, a little kitchenette, and room for a full or maybe even a queen size bed. We ordered it painted with all the windows, everything you see. We had it delivered here from Old Hickory Sheds, just as you see it. But let me walk inside, give you guys a quick look around. Where we're at. Alright, not much to see. Nothing's been done in here yet. But you can see that dormer really makes a big difference. So the game plan is turn this into like a little mother-in-law suite kind of deal. Over here in this area here, we're gonna kind of put the bed set up like a day bed, so it'll be the couch and the bed. Over here in this corner, we're gonna do a little 4 by 8 bathroom, small shower, IKEA sink, toilet here in the corner. And then over here in this corner and under that window there, I'll close this door for you. Plan is do a little L-shaped kitchenette, little mini fridge, microwave, coffee maker. That's about it. I think we're gonna do like a white shiplap kind of deal. We'll see how it goes. But just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough. I have a couple of clips of it getting delivered on a really interesting, cool trailer that I'll try to insert somewhere in this video. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on the build. And actually I have a up and running Airbnb tiny house on the other side of the property that I'm gonna give you guys a tour of. It's a much more substantial build. It's a tiny house on wheels that we've had it for a couple years now, and many of people have been telling me I should shoot a YouTube video of it, so I'm gonna get around to it this week, and I'll put that on the channel as well for you guys to see. If you guys are interested in seeing the financials and how much it makes per month and all that good stuff, just let me know and I'll make a video on that as well. But yeah, this is our cute little she shed. We're excited. And we're excited to get to work, and I'll do my best to share as much of it as I can with you guys. Thanks. Talk to y'all later.